So good evening, everyone. And now, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to build an alarm system using the Do More the PLC. So this is my ladder diagram. This alarm system, and what is the function of this alarm system? So the function is that I'm going to give you first. I'm going to give you the big picture of what this is the ladder diagram does, and then I'm going through walk you through round by round to tell you how to build this ladder diagram. So here is this is a proximity sensor, and this is a proximity sensor is connected to a counter. This up counter. We have two timers here. So if this proximity sensor detects something, so this is a counter will be triggered. So this counter will be triggered, and so based on because of these two branches, this one and first one, second one, and so here, so this blue light will be blinking. Okay, so this blue light will be blinking. So you can build this is alarm system and for either for your own house or for your own this is property. If something happens, and so if the proximity sensor detects something, and so this is the blue light and will be blinking. So and send the information to you and telling you that there's some you need to take care of this. This is a proximity sensor to see what happens here. And so here I'm also the timer, this counter, and also we have a blue button, and the blue button is used to reset, and this is a counter to reset this counter. How does it work? So for example, if some squirrels and come to your proximity sensor, and then your proximity sensor detects this is squirrel or rabbits in the spring or in the summer or in the early fall, and so this is so these squirrels and or this is rabbits can trigger your system. So you come here to see. If you see, oh, this is nothing is wrong, but the rabbits or the squirrels, you can just click this press this is a blue button to acknowledge this is the alarm system to reset this account. So after you click this button, blue button, and the blue light will not be blinking. We will stop blinking. So this is, I'll just say. So I know some rabbits or some this is just squirrels just triggered my alarm system. Nothing is wrong. So then I go through the round by round. We have two timers here. So here two timers here, and this is timer. So this is a timer with T1, and this we use T2, and so here at the very beginning. So at the very beginning, the 10 beats, the 10 beat for these two timers, and it is the force. So here is oblique line here. So that means at the very beginning. So here, this one, this is input will be true. As a result, the timer 1 will be triggered. Right after 1 second. So this is timer 1's beat is turned on. So this one will be true, and so this timer 2 will be triggered. So if something happens here, if the proximity sensor detects something, this counter will be triggered. After the counter is triggered, right? So here, so this one and this counter stand beat and timer stand beat. Or here, counter stand beat opposite, and this is a proximity sensor here. So these two branches will accomplish the task that, and so this blue light will be blinking, right? So this blinking can catch the attentions of the house owner. So you can see if you see this blue light is blinking, you see, oh, my alarm system is triggered. So I need to take care of the proximity sensor to see what my proximity sensor detects. So this is a very useful alarm system, and based on the PLC, and you can do it by yourself for your house, and maybe for your garden. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye.